Introducing the all-new 2026 Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0TDI 150BHP Edition 75. Automatic, R-Line in stunning white. Packed with top-of-the-line features, this SUV is perfect for those seeking luxury and safety. From ambient lighting to satellite navigation, this vehicle has it all. Stay secure with anti-collision system and lane departure warning while enjoying the convenience of wireless charging and cruise control. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line vehicle. Visit blackwatermotors.ie or call us today to learn more about the 2026 Volkswagen Tiguan and schedule a test drive. Drive in style and safety in the Tiguan.